Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I want to thank you so much. I never thought that I would get over 1,000 subscribers. I just never thought anybody would be that interested in watching me haul and attempt to do craft projects, and I really appreciate all of your support. I just got these little few things I want to show you, and then I have a question for you. And I got this stuff right here from Michael's. I just picked up one of these candles. I normally don't like the scent of their candles, but this one is fresh water pearl, so I picked that one up. It's okay. I like fresh, clean scents. I don't like all the rest of that mess. I picked up this Mod Podge, just a small one. I picked up this ornament holder, and I use these when I'm creating dangles and charms to hold, excuse me, not to hold, but to hang on mini albums and things of that nature. I got these two brushes, and I got this chain. Now I got this little small ball of Mod Podge and these brushes so that when I create T-ends with the single-sided paper, I can glue them together with this Mod Podge and won't have that, oh, I can't even, I'm going to say a line of demarcation, and I'll have to show you on the T-end that I did earlier. Oops, sorry about that, guys. And let me move this stuff out the way. And the last thing I picked up is from Target. I went there tonight, and I just saw this particular thing right here, and it's just a couple of pens. U plus me equals glitter. Let me see. One of them says Cupid is stupid, and this one says fries before guys, which I got some cold fries that I'm not liking right now, but I'm not going to even complain. And this is enamel pen and note card with envelope, 1 count. So I just thought the pens were cute. That's the reason why I picked that up. And the last thing I got was this thing. This is one of the Scotch thermal laminators. I picked this up at Target tonight, and it was $19.99, which is the price that people have been saying that they get it at a Walmart or a Walmart site, and I think maybe even Target, but this is the first time I've seen them, the $19.99 ones, at Target. And I picked it up because my seriously heavy duty laminator is in storage, and I don't know which box it's in, so I needed something to work on my T-ends because I hate waiting and then having to borrow a laminator and all that. I ain't got time for that. But look, guys, this is what I want. I want you guys to tell me, list a couple items that you would want to win in a giveaway. I have never done a giveaway on my craft channel. I've done them on my beauty channel, but never on my craft channel. So let me know some of the things that you would like to receive in a giveaway if you won. A couple items, 1, 2, 3 items. You know, nothing serious. Don't get crazy. But let me do this. Do not get crazy, okay? Because I ain't got it like that. But that's what I want to do. I want to do a giveaway, and I want it to be a nice giveaway that everybody, well, I ain't going to say everybody, but that people would appreciate. Okay, guys? That's it for the haul. That's it for me thanking you for right now for the over 1,000 subbies. I love you guys. Thank you so much again and again and again and again. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All of your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.